So, after our previous conversation, it seems like a customized customer service training program that focuses on dealing with difficult customers would be very valuable to the company by improving your service to existing customers and help reduce turnover of your customer service reps. So, to my understanding, not having this has caused losing your top reps because they aren't sure how to deal with or handle a quote unquote difficult customer. And I do understand that your current employees do not prefer online training. So, the training that would be implemented will definitely be hands on and in person. So happy workers equals happy customers. By retaining these top reps and also improving everyone's customer service skills, it will increase the number of new customers while also keeping current customers satisfied. So with this customized program, the company will experience lower turnover rates, improve customer service, while also keeping everyone satisfied and happy while increasing sales.